Welcome to Sunday School Insights. For this week, we will study Alma chapters 53 to 63. So, in these chapters, we are right in the middle of the intense battle between the Nephites and Lamanites. Si Captain Moroni, as usual, is leading the Nephite armies with incredible faith and strategy. Pero isa sa mga standout na kwento dito ay tungkol sa 2,000 plus tripling warriors, mga young men na kahit walang experience sa digmaan, tumayo para ipagtanggol ang kanilang mga pamilya at ang kalayaan nila. Now, what can we learn from these chapters? Unang-una, makikita natin yung power ng covenant faithfulness at righteous leadership. Si Captain Moroni talaga ang epitome ng isang leader na may integridad. Laging inuuna ang kapakanan ng kanyang mga tao at laging humihingi ng guidance sa Panginoon. Hindi siya basta-basta sumusuko, and he always finds a way to protect his people. On the other hand, yung 2,000 plus stripling warriors naman, led by Helaman, teach us about the strength that comes from faith and obedience. Imagine, bata sila at wala pang experience sa battle. But because they were obedient and had faith in God, they were able to achieve these victories that seem impossible. Para sa kanila, ang pinanghahawakan nila ay yung mga pangako ng Diyos at dahil dito, they were able to fight bravely and protect their families. Isa pang lesson na makukuha natin dito ay yung importance ng perseverance and unity. The Nephites faced not only external threats from the Lamanites, but also internal issues like dissent and betrayal. Pero kahit na ganoon, nagpatuloy sila relying on their faith and unity. Parang sa buhay natin ngayon, when we face challenges, staying true to our covenants, following righteous leaders, and standing united with others who share our values can help us overcome even the hardest trial. So, as you reflect on these chapters, think about how you can apply these lessons. The faith, obedience, perseverance, and unity sa buhay mo. Lalo na sa mga times na parang ang daming pagsubok, like the Nephites and the stripling warriors, with God's help, we can triumph over our own battles.